What is going on, guys? We have the new Fire 7 tablet here. It's like 50, 60 bucks, and it allows you to put internal storage in here. And I'm going to show you how to set it up. I have a 256 gigabyte micro SD card. I'm not sure what the total amount you can put in. I don't know if it's 1 terabyte or 512 gigabytes, but this is 256. So we're going to try this one, and I will link some down below that should work for you as well that you can pick up on Amazon. So what you're going to do is just open up this side piece right here. Just snap it off a little bit and it'll hang. And then make sure when you press it in that the metal prongs are facing away from you. And then it's pretty easy. Just use your fingernail on the side there to press it in. There we go. Perfect. It's talking about not connecting to the internet. So just cancel on that. So I got that in and I closed it all up. And then at this point, we're going to swipe down from the top twice and click the little gear. And then we're going to go into settings. Actually, we're already in settings. We're going to go into storage, and we're going to see portable storage. Yours might be great and already used. It's probably not, though. So what you want to do is you want to tap on, I'm going to tap on Lumix. It's asking me to hit setup. And then from here, I have the ability to do one of the following. I can use this SD card and store more apps, files, and media on this tablet, extend the internal storage, I should say, of your tablet using your micro SD card. Please note that your micro SD card will no longer work on other devices, or you can transfer files between devices, transfer files and media between your tablet and other devices. Please note that some media, such as movies, music, and books, that are copyrighted from other apps may not transfer between devices. So we're actually going to use this as internal storage because this is 16 gigs. It's pretty small. So I'm going to set it up as internal storage. And if I ever want to use this SD card on somewhere else, I just need to format it and I'll be good to go. And it's asking me, do I want to format it? So I'm going to hit Format Storage Device. And we're going to let this format. It's going to take a bit of time. And we're back. And that didn't take long at all. It was definitely less than 5 minutes. It was like 3 minutes, maybe at tops. Move content to storage device. You can now move files, media, and certain apps to this storage device. This will take about 45 seconds and will free 475 megabytes of internal device storage. During the move, don't remove the storage device. Keep your device charged, and some apps won't work. So let's say move content. Actually, let's do move content later. All right, your storage device is ready to use. Newly downloaded content and most apps can now be stored on your SD card. To change storage preferences, go to storage settings. So we're going to go to storage settings right off the bat. We're in storage settings, and to get to storage settings, it's literally just going to settings like we just did a moment ago, and then clicking on storage. As you can see, you can either move data to SD card. If we tap on that, you can move content to storage, which is all right there, or we can go move apps to SD card. So it says 2 apps, move apps to SD card. Moving all apps may take a long time, and some apps may not be while they're moved. So we're going to hit move apps, and it's moving apps. So it's probably not going to move all the apps. It's only going to move some of the apps, which to me is honestly fine. As I would have more storage, that would also be cool with me. But for me, you can see I still have a good amount of internal storage, but then I have tons of storage device on there. And then I can always move this as well, whatever this is. This must be like things I've downloaded. I guess it says certain apps, but basically it's probably files and media. And I can move that content as well. And that will take a bit of time. So I'll let this run just for a moment. All right, so I moved those files now, hit done there. And looks like we're good to go. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to download an app from the Amazon App Store. So I have that file manager now installed. You can see it down here. Yeah, so it was automatically installed. Here's my 256 gigabyte micro SD card. It automatically installed on this device on the SD card. So I'm going to hit open on that to open this up. And here we go. Well, this is the app. I can see internal storage here showing 230 gigs. And it looks like I'm not seeing both of the drives. Let me just tap that. So yeah, it looks like it's just combining everything like it would and kind of making apps think that there's only one drive. Let me just double check. Yeah, which is fine. It's absolutely fine because I can do all that stuff. So yeah, it makes it as one storage unit and installs apps automatically. You could theoretically download video files and anything else, and that will save either to the internal storage or to that micro SD card. And I have a 256 in there, so we know that works. So everything's looking good. If you want to increase your storage at a really reasonable price, you can. So check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.